Good morning. I am just getting ready for the day. Today's a very exciting day because today my daughter is getting her first haircut. She's really excited about it. I don't think that she wants to take off much hair, but her ends need some help. So this is her first haircut and she's 4 years old, which is crazy. If you guys have seen my daughter, you know her hair, it is long. Her hair is long and she is very, very excited. So we are gonna take you guys through the process, document this special day, and I have a huge announcement that I cannot wait to tell you. This morning, took a shower. I'm gonna be using the Tri-Week leave-in conditioner. This smells so good. So since it is fall, I like to put in leave-in conditioner in my hair, especially if my hair is really tangly after I get it out of that head wrap. I just want a lot of moisture in there. I'm also gonna be using the Love Oil by Sexy Hair. Love this stuff. This is such a great serum. Oh, and it smells so good. So I'm gonna be putting that all at my ends, and I like to just put it at the front of my hair as well. So I'm gonna be adding curl cream, and you guys might be thinking, what the heck, why are you adding curl cream? I don't have super curly hair, but I want to defrizz my hair. I want to have my curls last, and this is my trick. So now I'm just gonna go blow dry my hair. I'm gonna style it, and then I'll be right back. Right here, I'm gonna start curling my hair in alternating directions. So I'm gonna start away from my face, then curl towards my face, then curl back. And I'm gonna repeat that until I am finished curling the top section of my hair. I'm gonna let my curls set just like this. I don't wanna touch them while they're hot. I want them to cool, and then I'll mess it up, add some volume. We're off to a good day. So once again, I'm gonna be using the Tri-Week leave-in conditioner. This stuff smells so good. I know I've already said that, but I cannot get over how good it smells. My daughter absolutely loves this stuff. She never complains about me tugging on her hair. You literally get all the tangles out within just a couple of brushes. She's my little mini-me. I absolutely love her. So like I said right here, I am just adding a little more texture and body to my hair, and that's all. It's all done. I am so excited to announce this giveaway. I have teamed up with Sexy Hair and Great Clips. If you go to sexyhairgreatclipssweepstakes.com, you will be entered in to win a trip for 4 to one of California's biggest theme parks. Now, this trip includes 4 airfare tickets, travel to and from the hotel, 4-night stay at a hotel, 4 tickets into the amusement park, and $1,000 Visa gift card for you to spend while you're there. Now, pause this video right now, click the link in my description box below, and go enter for a chance to win this amazing vacation. Good luck. Are you excited for your haircut?
Yeah.
How much do you want cut off? This much?
No.
How much? Just a little bit?
Well, it could be this much.
Oh yeah, that's called a trim.
Or just trim.
Are you ready? Are you nervous?
No.
No, you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, are you ready to go, girlfriend?
Yeah.
Yes, you're ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Baby, you almost ready?
Yeah, almost done.
Now right here, my husband is using the Hard Up Gel. The nice thing about this is that you can apply it to damp or dry hair, and you only need a little bit. I actually also use this on my daughter's hair to keep her flyaways down. So I totally forgot to make my daughter an appointment. Thank God for the Great Clips app. Here we go, checking in, 27-minute wait. Takes a little while to drive there. We're good to go. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Me too. You're doing so good. Are you excited? Yeah.
Whoa, it's so tall.
I know. Goodness. What do you think?
It looks great.
It does.
hairstyle.
You love your hairstyle? If you guys didn't know, Sexy Hair is sold in Great Clips. So if you're running low on some products, go ahead and go into Great Clips, pick up some products. They're usually always running a promotion, which is amazing. Right here, I am picking up another Tri-Week leave-in conditioner because I don't know what I would do without it. So thank you so much, Great Clips, for giving my daughter her first haircut. I am thrilled. She is thrilled. We are so excited.
You're so sweet. Thank you for letting me cut your hair.
Did you get a haircut today?
Yeah.
Does it look beautiful?
Yeah.
You so excited? I know you did.
My favorite part was Miss Shelby cut my hair. That was my favorite part.
That was your favorite part?
And the sucker.
And the sucker. All right, thank you guys so much for watching today and coming along with us for this exciting day of girlfriend getting her haircut for the first time. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and click the link in my description box below. Make sure to enter that giveaway and good luck. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.